Length of the penis plays a crucial role in sexual satisfaction for both male and female. And bigger penis does make you feel confident. There are tons of methods in the market which promise to increase PL length. Beware of using chemical methods, which may cause side effects like erectile dysfunction. Well, we will show you few ways to increase PL length naturally. Starting with number 1, hot cloth warm-up. This method is advised before doing any of the penis enlargement exercises, as it increases the flow of blood through PL tissues. Directions: soak a towel in hot or warm water. Wrap it around the penis and the testicles. Leave the towel for about 2 minutes. Repeat this process 3 or 4 times. Caution: don't use water which is overheated, since it can cause burns. Number 2, stretching. Stretching is one of the most popular ways to increase the length of the penis. It just takes 5 minutes to do this exercise. Directions: hold your penis just behind its head. Take care not to hold it too tight or too loose. Now gently pull it down towards your knee. Hold it in that position for about 20 to 30 seconds. Leave it to settle in the normal position. Then pull it up towards to your belly button. Hold it there for another 20 to 30 seconds. Similarly, repeat this in the right and left direction as well. Number 3, Jelquig. This method can enlarge the penis to over 10 inches in length and 7 inches in circumference. If it is started by the men in their early teens and continued until the adulthood. Directions: before beginning, we recommend that you do method number 1. Grasp the base of semi-erect penis with your thumb and forefinger. Make a no by using those 2 fingers. Start moving your hand forward when you reach the tip of the penis. Hold the base of the penis with your other hand and repeat the same using both of your hands. Continue thus exercise for about 20 to 25 minutes. For maximum benefits, it should be done once daily. Number 4, Kegel exercise. Practicing Kegel regularly can yield stringer and long-lasting erection, as it improves blood flow to the penis. You will require only 30 minutes for doing this. Directions: you will have to identify your PC or pubococcygeus muscle. You can identify it by trying to stop flow of our urine. The muscles engaged in stopping the urine is your PC muscle. Try holding this muscle in contraction for about 5 seconds and then release it. Take a break and repeat the method as many times as you want. Do this for about 30 minutes every day to see an improvement in your erection. Number 5, herbs to increase blood flow to the penis. There are several herbs which can stimulate blood flow to the penis and help it get better erection. Some of the prominent herbs which aid to penis enlargement are Korean ginseng, ginkgo biloba, maca root. These herbs can be consumed in the forms of supplements. So these are 5 ways to increase PL length naturally. Try any among them to experience the difference. Please share this video with your friend and family so they can benefit of the information. If you find it helpful, give a thumbs up and comment your suggestion below. And don't forget to subscribe to stay healthy with upcoming videos from eHealthCares.